Sarah adored her grandma more than anyone in the world. Every morning she would walk with her to the park, listening to her gentle stories about days gone by. Afternoons were reserved for tea at the little café down the street, where they would laugh over tiny cakes and sip warm tea. On weekends, they tended the garden together, planting flowers and vegetables, their hands coated in soil, but hearts full of joy. Sometimes they would sit for hours playing chess, quietly enjoying each other's company. Then one morning, her grandma passed away. The house felt empty, the garden silent, and Sarah's heart ached. Tears streamed down her face as she remembered all the laughter, stories, and small joys they had shared. Her mother sat beside her and gently said, "Sarah, you did wonderfully. You spent your time loving her, and you have no regrets. That is the greatest gift you could give." Sarah nodded, feeling a warmth inside despite the sadness. Though her grandma was gone, the memories they had created together would stay with her forever. From that day on, Sarah understood something important. Every moment spent with the people we love becomes a part of who we are. Time with loved ones is never wasted. It is the most precious treasure of all.